You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A French name. This is the French version of Alexander. If you want to learn more useful French names and vocabulary, stay tuned, more pronunciations. Alexandre is the French pronunciation. Alexandre. In English, Alexandre or Alexander is French for Alexander, essentially. So some may spell it this way and still pronounce it Alexander, but in French, Alexandre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.